Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do the benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 5 on the day 1 after unboxing. So this is the day 1 of using the Realme GT Neo 5, and the Realme GT Neo 5 which has got the processor of Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. So this is exactly same processor which is present in the ROG Phone 6. So this is the ROG Phone 6 which has got the gaming processor which is a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. I'll definitely do the side by side comparison between these both phones very soon regarding the speed test and everything. But in this video let's focus on the benchmark test in the Realme GT Neo 5. How much the phone can actually score regarding the benchmark wise. That's what I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And right now I did not install any applications because this is a day 1. I just want to see how is the performance out of the box of the Realme GT Neo 5. So right now, as you can see friends, after 62% of the benchmark test, let me to check the temperatures, what's going on in this device. So right now it's about 37 degrees Celsius, 37.6, 37.8. On the back panel you can see the bottom is pretty low, not bad. On the top side regarding beside the camera it's about 35 degrees Celsius. On the front side is about 37.6, 38 degrees as well, 38.2. So overall 38.2 degrees is the highest temperatures the Realme GT Neo 5 did record with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor. And I'm not using any kind of GT mode while performing the test. And I will be back after some time again to check the temperatures. So finally friends, we got the benchmark test results in the Realme GT Neo 5. So which did score really pretty good score, which is more than 10 lakhs. As you can see for the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is really very powerful. And you can see the temperatures, how much the highest temperatures the phone increased and how much the battery is drained in this device in the Realme GT Neo 5. So these are the quick details friends regarding the Realme GT Neo 5 regarding the benchmark scores. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until next time, more updates and bye.